Many people come and ask, how long does it typically take to get pregnant if I start fertility treatment? Most of the couple achieve pregnancy within 3 to 4 cycles of IUI. Further than this, the success rate again decreases.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates related to infertility.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mamta Kumar, consultant gynecologist and fertility specialist. Many people come and ask, how long does it typically take to get pregnant if I start fertility treatment? Then the answer is, it is variable and it depends on the underlying cause of infertility and the treatment which is decided. If all the fertility tests are within normal limit and the couple is decided for ovulation induction, then the 6 months of ovulation induction treatment is sufficient. If couple is not able to achieve a pregnancy within 6 months of ovulation induction, then they need to be stepped up. If the couple is decided for IUI treatment, then 3 to 4 cycles of IUI are sufficient. Most of the couple achieve pregnancy within 3 to 4 cycles of IUI. Further than this, the success rate again decreases and there is no point of continuing IUI treatment beyond this. Couple who are going for IVF treatment usually takes 2 to 3 months if there are no associated comorbidities or surgical pathologies requiring surgical correction. If these are there, then again the time increases. Supposedly, if a patient having fibroid, then she need to undergo myomectomy and then we have to give 3 months of myometrial rest. If the patient is having comorbidities such as recurrent pregnancy loss, recurrent IVF failure, and she has undergone lymphocytic immunotherapy for it, then again we have to wait for 6 to 8 weeks for the immunological response to generate. So it depends on the underlying cause of infertility, treatment which was decided, associated comorbidities, surgical pathologies, and it varies from person to person.
For more information, visit our website www.indraivf.com or call 1-800-309-4410. Keep following us and leave your fertility-related questions in the comments below and get answers from Indira IVF doctors.